Whew. Okay. Damn. That was fucking close. fucking empty. Imagine there's a fucking cop right there, just sitting in a ditch. It's fucking over. What? I didn't know it was 55. I thought it was 100. Shit. Oh, what a fucking pass! What a fucking pass! Wait, oh, fuck it. Alright, that's enough of that shit. Oh, that's... awkward. Let's see. Nope. Nope. And nope. Every time I look this way, I hear a noise. Okay. Oh my, dude, he's gone. Who's in that truck, dude? It's fucking Max Verstappen up there. Holy shit. Someone give this guy the fucking GoPro. I don't know, man. I don't know how he's doing that. I don't got, like, my handling ain't that good. I'm in a fucking tugboat right now, dude. Holy shit. This fucking Jeep, what is this shit? I forgot the model name. This shit's probably got better fucking aerodynamics than me. Oh, goodness. Dude, he's gone. Holy shit. I'm not gonna be an asshole. We're coming to the end of the loop anyways. The end of the time trial. This is the southern South Dakota time attack track, guys. Alright, this is legitimate. There's no funny business. Oh, hold on, here comes fucking Max Verstappen. What kind of truck is this? I can't tell. I'm not much of a trucker. I'm not a trucker. I don't think he's... I can't hear anything. Okay, what is this? This is a Jeep who, look at the stop signs it's over there, so we don't. Okay, my bad, I guess. Anyways, what's over there? I can't fucking look away. This guy's gonna slam his brakes. Vietnam veteran. My apologies, sir. See you guys. That's why we always gotta be chill. That guy was out in Vietnam, all right? And I'm here, no point in road raging at the guy. He's, you know, he did stuff in Vietnam. Bless up. Wow, this is a bad day for this fucker. I think I'm gonna extend the time trial. The time is up, but we're gonna go on a scenic route. Holy fuck, I'm glad no one came out of that car. They would have died. No hazard, just crazy. Anyways, we'll give a little tour. Nice little tour. But hey, time's up. Time. That was a shitty run. Time though. What the fuck is that? Time. Okay, I just got fucking peppered with shit. That's alright. I think I got my first door ding. The little silver paint doesn't wipe off. That's what I get for parking at college. It's alright though. We'll do a little... We'll endure in a second here. We'll endure in a second here. This place is kind of boring. I'll have to get a new... I got a new road in mind. It's not new, but I've never recorded it. But I'm leaving this place for summer, so that'll be nice. Better roads up north. This place is pretty uneventful. Yeah, kind of a boring location. Cool little Trailblazer SS action right here, I guess. This guy right here, it's pretty tough. Anyways, yeah, end scene. In a week, maybe week and a half, maybe 2. No, like a week, we'll expect the new road up.